In this video, I'm going to review my emergency tire repair kit that I actually have in every vehicle of mine. So what I tend to carry on the bikes is a repair kit for tubeless tires because I don't have any tubes, a MicroStop mini tire inflator, and a flashlight. So the flashlight is something that you would probably need if it's dark out and you can't see the tire. Definitely come in handy. Thumbs up repair kit. This one is really nice. It's the first time I bought this brand, and it comes with everything you really need for tubeless tires. I do like the T-handles better because it gives you more of a powerful grip to work the reamer in the tire. Got your plug installer. Comes with one tube of glue and one set of plugs. Does have directions in case you need them. Kind of explains you how to do a plug in a tire. I have a video. I'll link it down in the description if you guys want to see that. In all my kits, I put an extra set of tire plugs just in case I have to help somebody down the road and stuff. You know, I have extra plugs, and I carry an extra tube of cement in the kit. Now on this side, you have your CO2 cartridges with your hose to fill up your tire. Now this is just a backup to the air compressor. This is the first time I bought a set with the CO2 cartridges in it. A couple of years ago, I had a flat tire on my Harley. I went to use the air compressor that I had, and it kind of didn't work. So I had to play with the switch for a bit, and I finally got it to work. So I said from that day forward that I would always have a backup to the air compressor. So this is the backup. This is not something I'll be using if I get a flat tire, unless the air compressor doesn't work. And in this kit, which is kind of nice, they also give you a blade for cutting the plug once you're done installing it. Tire inflator. Comes with your little adapters. Don't need that. What I do need is the inflator. All right, no idea what this cable is for, but this is the cable we'll be using on the bikes. And what's cool about this little MicroStop tire inflator, it has a little LED right there that can be used for nighttime kind of stuff. And the hose. The only thing I don't like about this hose, it's kind of short. Could be difficult to get into some tires, but it's a nice little air pump, and it does put out quite a bit of air. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off of here, and then I'm going to end up putting one of these on here so it plugs right into the battery. Now I'm sure they sell adapters for this to do something like this, but I'm going to modify it with one of my plugs. I got plenty of these hanging around, so that's what I'm going to do. Not sure everybody's going to need to do that, but on the Can-Am, I don't have a plug like this, so that way you can just plug this in here, and then we can just plug this right into the battery hookup. A lot of guys will go out and buy like backs to put all this stuff in. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the original box for the inflator. And whatever wire I decide to keep that'll work on the bike, I will put it right in there. And whammo bammo. There's my kit, flashlight. There's actually room in here, I believe. We can put the flashlight in here. And there's the entire kit. Very small, very compact. I just got to figure out which one is ground, and then I'll know which one's positive. So I got it on ohm setting, and just gonna figure out which is which. So my multimeter decided to quit, so I gotta hold the button manually to get it to work. So that's my negative wire right there. Okay, it's my negative. A little bit of heat shrink on this. Put that through first. Get it out of the way. Small piece of heat shrink. You'll see why later. I'm going to take our negatives. We're going to put them together. Solder this up. Small piece of heat shrink on that. Put these together and twist them. Make sure it's the same length. That looks good. Put the heat shrink over that. So we got the heat shrink on both sides. I'll take this piece of heat shrink. I'm going to go right over those two. It's like that. That looks good. Now we're going to test this before we go any further. So this side will go into the air pump. And this side is going to go to the motorcycle battery. We'll pretend this is the motorcycle battery. Hook this up. And there we go, I'm done. I put some electrical tape on this wire in here that's exposed. And the other thing I wanted to tell you is these are interchangeable now. It doesn't matter what side you hook up to this. So if you're like me and you got an extra one of those plugs, save yourself a few bucks and just make your own. Hope you enjoyed this little bonus clip. And for those of you who didn't hang around, you didn't get to see what the bonus was. All right, everybody. I'll see you later. You all take care, and God bless.